Okay, mga kasolar, ano muna tayo, testing. This is a battery for the Solotech. Currently, it's now charging at 10 amperes. The inverter is a Solotech HMT. This is now communicating with the battery via BMS information, now charging at 378 watts. It's connected. There is a current load, so we'll test the air conditioner. Now, so we can check on the inverter again. It's generating power at 700 watts, the solar panels. You can check the battery, still charging. So there is a current load of 790 plus watts, 13%. The grid is on grid. This is an on-grid, off-grid inverter. The city is on, so we can control the export of power. So you see, since the solar energy is not enough to support all the requirements, the charging of the battery plus the output. So we turn off the air conditioner. So no more load. And we'll check on the export energy, so it's not exporting power to the grid. Okay, thank you.